All right, what year is this? 96 Honda Civic with what motor?
D20.
A what?
A D20. A
D16. All right. If y'all seen my channel, I know very little about imports, but we are going to change out the distributor. Same concept of anything that you do. Look, he's got the what's this? Acura?
The Acura Integra front end.
Acura Integra front end. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is this number one or what's number one? Number one is. All right. So first thing I'm gonna do is pop out the number one, and we're gonna find top dead center. So let's go ahead and get a. That's probably a 516. Oop. All right, so with the distributor off, the most important thing is this is your rotor. So you want to remember where this is pointing to. So one, we have the video, but let's figure out a way of marking this. So we can say that it's pointing straight toward this bolt here. So you see how this is marked, and if you run your hand straight, it'll be to this bolt to kind of line it up.
Yeah, should we take a picture?
Yeah. All right. So that is what we need to make sure, because when you put when this comes off, this is going to spin, and then putting a new one on, you need to make sure that this mark is correctly at the same spot. Otherwise, your car is going to run like crap. So that's what we have, and here we go. So on the new one, we're gonna go ahead and take the cap off. You see the rotor, it's got the markings here that are the same as the old one. That is my son making a ton of noise. Good job, Pops. I'm trying to see if I can get the sun out of that bad boy. Alright, and I'm gonna pause you for a second. There we go. No worries. Alright, so the top is off. So again, we just need to make sure when we stab this, the rotor goes in. These are a lot easier than the old school distributors. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get some light. Hold on one second. Here we go. So if I can get some light so you can see in there. So these are a lot easier than the old school distributors. I don't even know if we needed to do the top dead center because it's already got this groove in there. So essentially all we needed to know is that we don't have it 180 degrees opposite, because this groove, if I'm pointing at it, sorry the light is so bad, this groove here just slides right in there. So all we need to make sure is from earlier when we're showing where the rotor is, that it's pointing exactly the same. So he's gonna go ahead and stab it back in and we'll make sure that's correct. Distributors back in. This is actually a really simple process. Again, I don't think we even needed to find the top dead center for number one, because this one, as I showed earlier, had the little groove in there. So as long as you match the rotor where the groove is, I think you would have been perfectly fine. I'm just used to doing that with the old school distributor types. But he's going to try to start the car and see if what we did worked. Here we go. There you go. It's running. Now he said he has a misfire. Is the misfire pretty immediate, or when do you feel it? Okay. All right, so it's running pretty smooth here. He says he really feels that misfire at coming into first and second when he's picking up speed. So he won't know immediately, but as you can see, that is a really simple fix. You only needed a couple of tools, an 8mm driver or socket, some needle nose if you do end up pulling the spark plug, and that's really about it. So there we go. Quick Again, what is this at? 96? 96 Honda Civic with a D12? What is it? D16 motor. All right, so there you go. How to replace a distributor